Why does your scanner show the P040C engine code, and what does it mean? P040C is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. Temperature sensor, a circuit. This error code indicates that your vehicle's computer, PCM or ECM, has detected an abnormally low voltage signal, meaning an electrical resistance that is too low, or a reading showing extreme heat coming from the EGR Temperature Sensor circuit. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits in your vehicle. Bad EGR temperature sensor, wiring issues. Loose or corroded connector. Short to ground. Exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford and Land Rover, Mazda, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.